Welcome to our channel. If you want to access public health benefits through HHS programs like Medicaid, follow these step-by-step instructions to determine your eligibility and enroll in coverage. Step 1. Visit the official Healthcare.gov website or your state's Medicaid agency website to learn about available programs and eligibility requirements in your area. Step 2. Review the eligibility criteria for Medicaid, which typically includes income limits, household size, and other factors that vary by state. Step 3. Gather necessary documents including proof of income, social security numbers for household members, proof of residency, and citizenship or immigration status documents. Step 4. Create an account on Healthcare.gov or your state's marketplace if you don't already have one. This allows you to save your progress and return later if needed. Step 5. Complete the application form by providing accurate information about your household, income, and current health coverage status. Step 6. Answer questions about your eligibility for other programs such as CHIP for children or Medicare for seniors to ensure you're directed to the most appropriate coverage. Step 7. Submit your application electronically and wait for an eligibility determination. Processing times vary, but you should receive a response within several weeks. Step 8. If approved, review your coverage options, select a health plan, and complete enrollment to start receiving benefits. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel